We got one of those General Electric dishwashers. There are just different models, you know. I just filmed like 3 like this whole year, and now I'm came with another one, the 4th one. Except one of this part is except I filmed one outside this campground anyways, but who knows. Here's the informations. This is model GLD4408R00WW. And it's clean too. Here's the controls here. We got light wash, normal wash, city wash, start, delay hours, heated dry, and added heat. Got the indicators of the sanitize and clean. We're gonna do the 3-second like that. The lock controls. We got that indicator there. So now you can use it. It just flashes that is in lock mode. And you give it 3 more seconds, you can use it. Anyways, that's it.